As an African who live outside of Africa, I must say that cooking can sometimes be difficult because you find it hard to access some local spices, ingredients, and foodstuffs like plantains, cocoyam, and so on. And this can really make cooking for yourself and loved one really difficult. So why not try something different? Why not step out of your comfort zone and explore new recipes? Who knows, perhaps you might find something to add to your usual menu. And this is why on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super delicious chicken pie with a little touch of mushroom. It's a recipe that I taught myself how to make in 2023, and I'm glad to share this recipe with you. Hello guys, my name is Zidel and you're welcome to my YouTube channel Zil Cooks. On this channel we cook, we eat, we love one another. Before I go ahead, please, if you haven't yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, do consider to hit the subscribe button as I look forward in sharing with you some amazing recipes that you can try at home with your loved ones. While you do that, I will just go and hydrate myself with a glass of water, and then when I'm back, we will go straight into cooking. See you in a jiffy. Welcome back guys. So let's begin with the pie crust, and for the pie crust we will need 210 gram flour, 125 gram butter, 4 tablespoons chilled water. Start by rubbing in butter into flour until it looks like breadcrumbs. Add water and quickly knead into a dough until just combine. Wrap the dough in a plastic paper and let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, roll out the dough to fit the pie pan according to the shape of your pan. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius till it's golden brown and crusty. While that is in the oven, let's prepare the pie filling. And for the pie filling, we'll need 400 gram chicken breast, 160 gram mushroom, 126 gram shredded cheese, 2 DL bell peppers and chili crème fresh, 1 small leek, 1 red bell pepper, 2 eggs, some butter to sizzle, black pepper and salt. Start by cutting the chicken and mushroom into smaller bits, then slice bell pepper and leek. Next, melt some butter in a pan and add chicken to fry. Add some salt and black pepper. Once it's brown, then add mushroom and let it to sizzle for about 1 minute. Then go in with half of the leek and gently stir for about a minute. Crack 2 eggs, add salt and black pepper and whisk, then set it aside. Pour crème fraîche in another bowl. Add the whisked egg, bell pepper, the remaining leek and mix, then add chicken and mushroom. And lastly, add half of the shredded cheese and mix. Pour the mixture on the baked crust and evenly distribute. Add the remaining cheese and bake in the middle part of the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. Our pie is ready after 35 minutes. It is already looking so delicious. Perfect to be served as lunch and dinner, and I tell you, just a slice of it will fill up your stomach. Bon appetit!